Hi, welcome to Bobbins and Bows of Bear YouTube tutorial for double moss stitch. So here I have 10mm needles and I'm using Amazon Super Chunky. I've done a little sample piece here, so just to show you what the double moss stitch looks like. And I'll show you, often it's done on Aran jumpers. So this is an Aran jumper, this is a sleeve I've done, and this is all double moss stitch. So it gives you a nice texture, nice pattern. It's nice and warm, very warm in fact. So if you've done moss stitch before, double moss stitch is basically doubling up the rows that you do. So in moss stitch it will be knit one, purl one, and then you would do the opposite on the next row. On this one you do 2 rows of knit one, purl one, and then the next rows will be purl one, knit one. So I'll show you what we're doing. Now I'm working on an even number of stitches. If it's an odd number of stitches, then it would be different. It would be the opposite to what I'm saying. So generally I make sure I work on an even number. If it's in a pattern it will tell you how to do this, so just follow that. So here we have, let me see if you can see, this is a purl, this is your knit. So this would be the same as it would be at the beginning. So we knit one, purl one to the end. So we knit over a purl and purl over a knit. This is the first row. What I'll do is I'll write the pattern out in the description. Sometimes it's easier to see the pattern. Everybody's going knit one, purl one, knit one. It gets confusing. If you haven't done moss stitch before, it might be worth trying the single moss stitch first and then have a go at the moss stitch. So that's your knit one, purl one. So we're going to knit again. So you knit over the knit, and purl over the purl, and you get a little bit of rib really. So if you've done the rib on a cardigan or something like that, it's the same thing, but then you're doing the opposite to form this pattern. You turn around. So there you can see, that's the knits, and that's the purls. So now we're going to purl over that now. So purl over that one, knit over that one. Okay. There we are. So we purled over the knit. And now we'll purl again. There you are. You can see the knit's better on the second stitch in. So there's 2 knits and a purl. So the knits are like a plait and the purls are like a little bump. Oh, like that way. So it's 4 rows to the pattern. So no matter what you're doing, a scarf or a welts of a garment or well, anything. The ribs, you can use this for ribs as well. And it's 4 rows to the pattern. There we are. You can see the two bumps there, they're the pearls, that's the knits. So you get this effect, two knits opposite, like a checkerboard. There you go. I hope that was helpful. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks very much.